What is ability? Ability is a current assessment of what one can do. From a management standpoint, the issue is not whether people differ in terms of their abilities. They certainly do, but the issue is knowing how people differ in abilities and using that knowledge to increase the likelihood that an employee will perform his or her job well. In organizational behavior, the two types of ability are intellectual ability. Intellectual ability is the capability to do a mental activity, thinking and reasoning, and problem solving. Physical ability. Physical ability is the capability to do tasks that demand stamina, desired strength, and similar characteristics. Dimensions of intellectual ability are number aptitude. It is an ability to speedy and accurately do arithmetic. Comprehension. It is the ability to understand what is read and heard and the relationship of words to each other. Perceptual speed. It is a dying ability to identify visual similarities and differences quickly and accurately. Dimensions of intellectual ability are inductive reasoning. It is the ability to identify a logical sequence in a problem and then trying to solve the problem. Deductive reasoning. It is the ability to see logic and assess the application of the argument. Spatial visualization. It is the ability to imagine how an object would look like its position in space was changed. Memory. The ability to retain and recall past experiences. Factors of physical ability are dynamic strength. It is the ability to exert muscular force continuously over time. Trunk strength. The ability to exert muscular using trunk muscles. Static strength. Ability to exert force against external objects. Explosive strength. Ability to expand a maximum of energy in one or a series of explosive acts. Factors of physical ability are extent flexibility. Ability to move the trunk and back muscles as far as possible. Dynamic flexibility. Ability to make a rapid, repeated flexing movement. Body coordination. Ability to coordinate the simultaneous actions of different parts of the body. Balance. Ability to maintain equilibrium despite forces pulling off balance. Stamina. Ability to continue maximum effort requiring prolonged efforts over time.